So the next type of vitamins are the water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin C and B complex vitamins. Okay, so vitamin C, the scientific name is the ascorbic acid, and it is richly obtained from the citrus fruits, in the green leafy vegetables, in the mangoes, and which are sour in taste. Okay, the deficiency of the vitamin C leads to the disease, that is scurvy. The symptoms of this disease is delay in the healing wounds and bones fracture. Okay, children, you look at the picture. Next one is the B complex vitamins. Just now I told you, that is B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, folic acid, pantothenic acid and biotin. So these are the B complex vitamins. So first one is the B1 vitamin, which is called as thiamine. It is richly obtained from the milk, meat, fish, eggs and green leafy vegetables. Deficiency of this vitamin B1, that is deficiency of the thiamine, causes the disease, that is beriberi disease. The symptoms of this disease is vomitings, fits and loss of appetite. So the people are very lean. And next one is the B2 vitamin, that is the riboflavin, which is richly obtained from the milk, vegetables and fruits, liver, kidney, meat, etc. The deficiency of this riboflavin leads to glossitis, that is the mouth gets cracks at the corners and tongue gets some small the tongue taste buds will get will become red, and that is called as a sore tongue, and the mouth gets cracks at the corners. Okay, next one, so look at the picture. Next one is the niacin, that is B3 vitamin, which is also obtained richly from the vegetables, fish, meat, liver, milk and vegetables. It causes the disease called as pellagra. The symptoms of this disease is the dermatitis, that is itching of the skin, diarrhea and loss of memory. Next vitamin is pyridoxine, that is vitamin B6, which is richly obtained from the oil seeds, vegetables, meat and kidneys, liver, eggs, etc. And it causes the deficiency of this pyridoxine, leads to the disease, that is anemia, that is weakness. And cyanocobalamin, which is very important vitamin, that is B12, which is especially synthesized by the intestinal bacteria, and because of the deficiency of the cyanocobalamin, it leads to the disease, that is pernicious anemia. So in the people, the hemoglobin percentage will get reduced to below 5. Next one is the folic acid, which is obtained from the liver, milk, meat, vegetables, etc. So deficiency of this folic acid also leads to anemia. Okay, so what are the symptoms of this anemia? Is nausea, vomiting, weakness, loss of appetite, and especially this anemia is seen in the case of the delivered women and in the case of pregnant women, and in the small children they will be very lean and weak. Next one is the pantothenic acid. The deficiency of this pantothenic acid leads to the disease, that is burning feet. The feet will becomes burning and cannot able to walk. It is obtained richly from the groundnut seeds, liver, kidneys, meat, and especially rich in the sweet potatoes. Next vitamin is the biotin. It is present in the pulses, meat, vegetables, etc. The deficiency of this biotin leads to the nervous disorders. You remember, the deficiency of the biotin leads to the nervous disorders, that is it causes mental depression and muscle weakness. Okay, so children, you all look at the pictures. Okay, what are the deficiency diseases I have posted? Look at the pictures. Then you keep it in your mind that you have to concentrate on the vitamin names and its scientific names. Next, what are the diseases caused due to the deficiency of that particular vitamin? Okay, you go through the videos carefully and try to understand. I will be posting my videos. Okay, you subscribe my channel, that is Nagamani Biology Tutorials, to watch my videos regularly. Okay, thank you.